So my first few stumbling laps across Gotland Ring, Sweden. My plan was to find someone to tag along and hopefully they would know their way around. I was hoping for these guys. Yeah, right, what's up? Yeah, we'll see how this works out. Three bikes, three different lines. Yeah, so these guys were just as confused as me, or maybe even more so actually. This is a very weird line into this corner. I'll talk more about that corner, particular one, a bit later. But in general, when learning a new track, you usually try to take a really late apex. Don't hug the inside of the corner like these guys do here. It's easier said than done, but it's a good rule to have, so it gives you a lot more options to choose if the corner suddenly is sharper than what you expect. So we'll see when we get up here to the start and finishing straight. We have some problems here, yeah, running wide and then wrong to the next corner. So let's overtake and get some free track ahead of us. So a bit of showboating. It was a bit of a challenge because of the strong wind coming from the left. So this sweeping right-hander is quite nice. I really love this section. This double left. So we need to sacrifice the first corner to get right to the apex of the next. So this one, really long double right again. There's a lot of tricky corners on this track actually. So getting up to this part, I'm keeping way too far to the left, and this corner that we talked about earlier doesn't show on the camera, but you don't see how much tarmac you have when you're entering it. So in my experience, I was always going too slowly. In particular that corner, I was going too slowly everywhere because I'm taking it super easy. Won't risk anything on the holiday, but yeah, really nice sweeping corners and these windmills. Yeah, gives it a futuristic feel. This corner here is super weird because it's banked to the left, so you always feel like you're gonna run wide, but you actually don't. You almost get too deep into the corner because of the banking. And then we're coming up to this left-right hand corner. This corner is easy, the speed, but the right-hander I had some problems right here because of the bumps, as you can see. Still shaking its head, and we're seeing about 180 kilometers per hour when it stops to shake. On the Super Duke, yeah, I have the wrong tire pressures as well, but yeah, we're not here to train. It's just for fun, and it is super fun. This corner again. I should really take some coaching and have someone show me the proper way around. I'm just guessing here, so don't flame in the comments because of my poor line choices. This was like my I think it was the my eighth lap of this track altogether. So I'm missing the apex here, running wide. I should have stayed more to the left, I think, and a little bit too early apex, in my opinion, anyway. But yeah, it was getting better and better throughout the day, and it was a super fun track. I really enjoyed it. Here we go again to this banked corner that pushes you towards the inside of it. I think it's the first track I've ever ridden that has a banked corner in it. So that was a really cool experience. So yeah, now we're coming up to the start and finishing straight again to complete. I'm gonna come back here laps, but I'm gonna come back here and do some more proper training, and I think we have plenty to improve upon.
Jag börjar bli trött nu, men nu kändes det mycket bättre än förra passet. Nu börjar man kunna slappna av och hitta runt. Ja, nu börjar man hitta flowet och bara ha rätt växel i liksom. Låter ju självklart, men man märker att man liksom varvet tar slut när man har tänkt. Och så vill man ju inte växla under nedlägg liksom. Du vill ha rätt växel in i kurvorna, börja hitta bromspunkterna, och den där kombon där borta är jävligt skön efter start och mål. Och även om man kommer ut här så går man ju långt ut och så viker in.
Det var inte lätt att fota dig, men...
Du lyckas få ett foto där man ser skuggan av den när du åkt förbi.
Ja.